Hi guys, in this video we will see how to check graphics card GPU on your Windows 11 and 10 system. There are 4 ways you can check your GPU status, graphics card status. The first one is right click on start button and choose task manager. Through task manager you can easily check your graphics card GPU on your Windows 11 system. Right click on start button, choose task manager, and here from the left side of task manager menu go to performance, and here at the bottom of the page you will find your GPU. Click on GPU and you can easily see and find all your GPU status on your Windows 11 system. GPU memory, shared GPU memory, temperature, and all other GPU related statistics you will find here. So you can easily check your GPU graphics card status through task manager. Under performance tab you can find GPU. The second way is through Windows settings. Right click on start button and choose settings. Windows settings page will now open. Here from the left side of settings go to system settings. Thereafter go to right side and here you will find display. Click on it. Here scroll down and click on advanced display. Here click on display adapter properties for display 1. Click on it. A new window will open and here you can easily find all your GPU status. And from the top menu bar, 3 options available, menu available: adapter, monitor, color, and management. You can easily check properties and some other features also available here. Your driver related properties, GPU driver related properties also here. So you can easily check your GPU graphics card status through Windows settings. The third way to check your graphics card driver in your Windows 11 and 10 system is right click on start button, choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box and here type DxDiag, DirectX Diagnostic, DirectX Diagnostic tool. You can also check your graphics card status through DirectX tool. So type DxDiag on your run command box and you can see your GPU status will visible here. You can easily check all your Windows 11 related status. DirectX status will here display 1, display 2, sound, input. So you can easily check your GPU status here. And the third way through which you can check your graphics card status, right click on start button and choose run. You may press Bin plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box and here type MSInfo32. Click on OK. This will open your system properties windows. System information. Here also you can find your GPU status, graphics card status from your system information windows. Many other things also available here. You can easily check and navigate all your system related information available here. Some other menu is also available: hardware features, components, software environment. Some other features also available here from where you can easily check your GPU graphics card status from here. That's all.